Cloud4all project, it's about creating a world where we use the cloud and the technologies and the flexibility in ICT interfaces, electronic interfaces, to make it so that whatever the person needs a interface to look like is what they would get for an interface. So we can call it auto-personalization, automatic adaptation or personalizing of the interface. And that's kind of what we use to describe it. But what it really is just you getting the interface that you're familiar with, that you can use, that matches what your abilities and knowledge, etc. are.
We can create an ecosystem where we no longer think of mass production, because what happens is we design for the typical or the norm, the average person. And most people get left out in some way or another, and those that don't get left out have to make do with something that doesn't really fit them. So Cloud4all is a way of providing a sustainable, affordable way to achieve special for everybody. We can use the cloud, we can use digital systems, we can use the plasticity and the adaptability of digital environments to make sure that everybody gets what they require.
Particularly interested because we recently drew up a research agenda roadmap in this area, and Cloud4all is addressing some of the basic issues we highlighted that needed to be addressed so that we could move forward in this roadmap. So I think I'm interested to find out how far they've got in some of the issues, particularly in security, ethics, trust that people have, data mining, and all the user preferences and how you capture those user preferences. These are all very important issues in the wider perspective of moving the whole field forward.
We have another system, which is a cooking assistance for people having traumatic brain injuries. And this system is using many devices at the same time. So you have the voice, you have the touch screen, you have also objects that you can move all around that will give cues for the information system. And we want to integrate all of that into one application. And if we can specify the profile of the person and the needs and the preference, it will be far more easy to implement and deploy.
It is not the old project about assistive technologies. It's using technology of today for solving problems of people of tomorrow.